Gemini, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies for you in second quarter ng 2026. So that's April, May, June. This is a general reading. Pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. Mag-ingat sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com. Ayan. Or directly na sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Or email nyo na lang ako, mysticqueenph@gmail.com. Ayan. So, let's see, Gemini, ano yung energy second quarter ng 2026 for you? Second quarter. Third house, communication. So, related ito sa pag-aaral, short distance travel, mga domestic travels. Pwede rin may mga bagong friends, connections, mga projects na gagawin mo with other people. This is also concerning about your siblings. Pwedeng may bago kang kapatid or magkakaroon kayo ng pag-uusap, importanteng pag-uusap ng kapatid mo, or magkakaroon kayo ng bagong kapitbahay. You also have symbiosis, trine, or sextile. Yeah, so this is a positive energy wherein merong kaayusan, pagtutulungan, support that you will receive ngayong second quarter. So pwede meron kang marireceive na support from your sister or brother or sa iyong kapitbahay. Or may projects kayo together. North Node, which is about your future. Ayan. So, ina-align mo rin yung sarili mo para sa mga pangarap mo, ano ba yung mga gusto mong ma-achieve. So, ngayon, mas nagiging malinaw sa'yo what you really want in life. Where do you want to go? Diba? Kasi minsan, nalilito tayo ano yung ipo-pursue natin. But for some of you, merong inspiration dito. Someone might be helping you na, oh, Gemini, ito, subukan mo to. Tapos, nagustuhan mo rin naman, di ba? So, you are, mas inspired ka ngayon for your future. You have the Eight of Cups. So, meron kang iiwanan na sitwasyon. This is leaving things behind or walking away from a situation. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo, alis kayo sa trabaho na hindi na nag-a-align sa inyong energy, or sa situation, relationship, connection that you feel hindi ka na masaya, no? So, you're going to explore new opportunities. Yeah, with the Four of Cups kasi pwedeng feeling mo yung may mga nasasayang na oportunidad. Merong hindi kasi sa inyo rito kontento sa kung ano yung sitwasyon na meron kayo. So, you want to explore other opportunities by going out of your comfort zone. Okay? You have the Five of Cups. So, yung iba sa inyo may mga regrets kayo. May mga pinagsisisihan kayo, mga bagay na hindi nyo ginawa at ginawa ninyo. Na maaring may pinalampas kayo na oportunidad in the past. Na ngayong second quarter, pagbibigyan nyo ng pagkakataon yan, na subukang uli, no? O, 'di ba? You have the Death card, which is about transformation, endings, and new beginnings. So, this is a brand new you, Gemini. Especially, no? Kasi pagdating ng April, Uranus is entering the sign of Gemini. This is about drastic change. So, pwedeng merong mga pagbabago sa buhay mo na ito yung magli-lead talaga para sa future mo. Meron kami na master na skill, na craft. You are also learning new abilities, knowledge. So, may expertise. Ayan. Also, nagpo-focus ka rin para magkaroon ng balance sa buhay mo. Kasi minsan nag-overthink ka, marami ka iniisip. It's part of your healing process na you will do mga meditation or mga activities na magbibigay sa'yo ng sense of peace. Ayan. So, part rin ng mga ipupursue mo for your future is about your creativity, anything na related sa iyong mga abilidad, creative mind, inspired ideas, ipupursue mo yan. yung iba sa inyo, may pagka, scientist yung energy ninyo, or you are someone na may pagka-inventor. Oo. Acceptance, embrace who you are, yes. So, ito yung mas magbibigay sa'yo ng peace of mind, knowing that you matter, no? Embrace who you are. You will accept yourself for who you really are. Even if may mga tao na feeling mo hindi ka tanggap. But for you, you know yourself. And this is the time for you to accept who you really are. Okay? So that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.